So consider this students table. Okay. What if I ask you, give me name ID and name of a student who resides in or whose city is who lives in, okay, who lives in either Delhi, Mumbai, Pune or Patna. Okay. So you have to give me the list of the name, the ID and name of all of the students. Okay. So pause this video, write the query, and once you have the results, come back to this video. Okay. I hope you have written the query. So what you are going to do, right? So let me minimize this one. Okay. So you will start with select. I just want ID and name from students, right? Who lives in either Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, or Patna, right? Where city is equal to Delhi or city is equal to Mumbai or city is equal to or city is equal to Pune or city is equal to Patna, right? Let me run this query. Okay, so this gave me all of the students ID and name, right? So if you will look at it here, we have to write one condition for Delhi, one condition for Mumbai, one condition for Pune, and one condition for city, right? And in between we have or operator, right? Why? Because we want either. See, one student cannot live with multiple city, right? At a time they can live only in one city. So we are going to use or here, right? So doesn't it look repetitive, right? We are repeating the same kind of condition multiple times, right? So SQL gives me a way to write the same query, get the same result in a cleaner way, and that is in operator. Okay, so we will write select ID comma name from students where city this where the column on which I'm going to add the filter city, and then the in filter in operator, and we will start the small braces, round braces, okay, and then the city name, right? All of the values of the condition. For example, Delhi, we wanted Delhi, we wanted Mumbai, we wanted Pune, we wanted Patna, right? So let me run this one, right? So we got all of the results, right? So this is much cleaner, right? We are getting the same result, but in much cleaner way, right? So in replaces multiple or statements. Remember, it replaces or statements, not and statements. So this means where city in Delhi, city can be Delhi, can be Mumbai, can be Pune, can be Patna, right? There is or operator in between, not and. Okay. So if city matches any of these, right? If city matches any of this value, it will show the row. For example, for this one, right? Let me write the city also here, just to show you better, just to help you visualize better, right? So city matched Delhi here, right? So we have Delhi. City matched Pune, we have Pune in condition. City matched Mumbai, we have Mumbai in condition. City matched Delhi, right? So if city matches any of this value, right? Any of this value, we will get the row. In is basically or, okay? In is basically or or condition written smarter, written in a smarter way, right? It helps you write the same or condition in a cleaner way. Now what happens, let me copy this one. what happens if I write this? So we got all the results, right? So here you will say why I'm using in operator. If I'm just going to get one of the, I'm just passing one value, right? One city value. So you can use in the same way, right? So here wherever the value is matching with city is equal to Chennai, we will get the result. Okay, only Chennai rows, nothing else. Simple, right? It's very very simple. Now what will happen? Let me copy the same thing here. What will happen if I don't pass any value here? Can you guess? Take a guess. It throws error, right? Because it is expecting something inside it and we have not given any value, right? List cannot be empty. This one cannot be empty. You have to put some value. Okay. Now you might ask how we are going to use this one in real world. Okay. So in real projects, right, filter often use lists. Like there will be list of states, there will list of product categories, there will be list of user IDs, right? So in that case, in will be very very useful. Okay, we will talk this one in more detail how we are going to compare lists, right? You might not be able to visualize this one right now, but yeah, remember this thing, in will be very handy in that those situations. Okay, now how in helps you write clean query, right? Because if consider this case, right, we have one condition, two condition, three condition, four condition, right? So there were four or conditions, right, which and in helped me to write in single condition, right? Same thing. You might say, okay, this is not bad, right? We have only four conditions, we can write it. But what if we have 30 cities, 40 cities, 50 cities, right? Are you going to keep on repeating the same conditions, right, each time? No, right? Because it will be messy. So in that condition, we will be using in operator, right? Cleaner, right? Cleaner code is readable, right? And readable code is always better, right? So now you have three powerful filters, right? You know, and or in. Remember these things, these three operators. It is very very useful, very very powerful. Okay. So next video we will look at some additional uh, operators of SQL. Okay. So if you have learned something from this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.